Live from the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Welcome to MultiGP News. The second regional final in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series is right around the corner. The race course in Rocket City is nearly ready. The pilots are signing up, and we have details for you on our MultiGP live stream of the big race coming up. Plus, several regional qualifiers close out over the weekend. A breakdown of those races straight ahead. Then take a look at the layout of what we have set up at the 2018 MultiGP International Open in August. Get a sneak peek. Also, we have a compilation of our favorite photos from this past week, and we're giving out prizes right here for 3 lucky viewers watching. All this next on MultiGP News. We are almost set for another great race on the path to the MultiGP Championship in Florida this December. Make sure to check out our MultiGP live stream live from the second regional final. That's June 30th and July 1st. We broadcast live from the Southeast region from the beautiful AMA field groomed by Rocket City RC in Huntsville, Alabama. This MultiGP regional final is right next to Redstone Arsenal. First, thank you to our sponsors, especially the AMA, TBS, DRL, and Hobby Wing, who made the regional finals possible. Top 100 pilots, did you make your plans yet? Good luck to all who will compete in the MultiGP Southeast Regional Finals coming up. To all of MultiGP, plan to be there or watch the live stream broadcast of the qualifiers on Saturday and the top 32 on Sunday. We will give you more details next week. Week 11 wrapped up with the regional qualifiers in the Southeast, South Central, and Northeast regions with some top-notch racing action. Let's take a look. Week 11 of the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series presented by the Academy of Model Aeronautics wraps up, and this week's update is jam-packed with highlights and accolades by the fastest pilots in the series. To start off, 8 qualifiers were hosted across 5 remaining regions, with 4 of them happening on the final qualifying weekend for the Southeast region, and the Southeast including a triple header and a rain-out, rain-out, rain-out replacement race. Starting in the Southeast region, the first triple header qualifier of the series with Mid-Carolina FPV, Happy Quads FPV Racing, and Western Carolina is hosting 3 tracks, 3 qualifiers, and one of those qualifiers happening underneath the bright lights at night. The biggest movers would be Dave Maker FPV Schlitter, who breaks the top 10 nationally on the qualifier course with 21 laps in 6 minutes and 41 seconds as his best 3 rounds, and will rank him 4th in the region going into the regional final.
Mom, looky, I'm on MultiGP!
Another highlight was Miami FPV Racers event finally evading rough weather.
Florida qualifier before Alabama, so pretty much we're all out here in the heat building our own track.
Qualifying 5 pilots into the top 100 in the region, including Frank Realize Manade and of course the event champion, Sergio Surgical FPV Icardi.
No 5-cell, no 6-cell, 4-cell.
And the top 100 have been finalized for the Southeast region, though as 2 pilots, Evan Heads Up FPV Turner and Alex Chief Campbell, will be attending an alternate regional final. Positions 101 and 102 will be invited to the Southeast regional final at Rocket City RC in Huntsville, Alabama, June 30th through July 1st. That makes the cutoff 12 laps in 6 minutes 54 seconds .930 for the 100 positions, 1 lap and 5 seconds faster than the earlier wrapped Southwest region, with 167 pilots in the Southeast doing a lap or more on the regional qualifier course, in contrast to the Southwest 161 pilots. Other highlights this week at the MA Drone Racing doubleheader event in the Northeast, 2 young pilots broke the top 10 nationally, with Ethan FPV Kling and Seren Fat Kid Monroe Anderson both posting 21 laps in 6 minutes and 49 seconds and 6 minutes and 51 seconds respectively. That seeds them 3rd and 4th overall in the Northeast region. Now, after 11 weeks, 516 pilots have posted a lap or more on the regional qualifier course, and that number will continue to increase until we narrow the field to the top 100 in each of the 6 regions, the top 150 at the championships, and of course, down to the #1 fastest pilot at the MultiGP Championships. And let's take a look at the next regional qualifiers on the schedule. For those who need to know to set up your chapter's qualifier race, log on to multigp.com, proceed to your MultiGP chapter's homepage, click the Add Event button, and select Create a Regional Qualifier. Here is something everyone from MultiGP has been waiting for. Take a look at the International Open layout at the headquarters of Academy of Model Aeronautics in Muncie, Indiana. FPV freestyle and racers combined for the best of time at the center stage and the village at the 2018 MultiGP International Open.
We are in Muncie, Indiana at the craziest drone race we've ever attempted.
Everything is coming into place for 8 fun tracks, 2 of them World Cup with big races planned. The I.O. will have a central stage at the vendor village and food court. We will party at the Tiny Whoop and LED night tracks. Everyone will love the micro track and the X-Class action. We'll have a big race to find Team USA the fastest 5 pilots, one of them female, one junior, in a worldwide competition at the FAI Drone Racing Championship. The TBS Lounge is setting up at the International Open with Trappy and his friends. We will have Jesse Tiny Whoop Perkins and the Lunchbox FPV serving lunch to a lucky 100 per day. You can take a chance on FPV wing racing. They have testers. MultiGP will host a super tight spec race with a great purse and prizes, and the winner gets a wildcard spot to the MultiGP Championship. MultiGP invites you to Muncie, Indiana, the headquarters of the Academy of Model Aeronautics for the 2018 MultiGP International Open. Get your tickets, make your plans, see you there. Visit multigp.com to purchase your tickets today. Tier 1 chapter organizers, your ticket to the epic 2018 MultiGP International Open is free. Volunteers, your admission is free as well. Media ambassadors hanging with us full-time also get in free of charge, and part-time ambassadors get discounted tickets. Hey, to the rest of us, plan to attend the 2018 MultiGP International Open and take part in a monumental event. It kicks off August 8th and runs through August 12th at the AMA headquarters in Muncie, Indiana. Are you there yet? Let's go to Buffalo. Joe Scully is going. Chris Thomas will be there. Buffalo Bando 2018 kicks off this weekend, June 22nd through the 24th at Buffalo Riverworks, a premier venue in the heart of downtown Buffalo's waterfront. The venue is stunning, great to fly. We will have a blast, and Buffalo Bando is only 20 minutes away from the must-see sites like Niagara Falls, casinos, the Naval Park, a baseball and hockey complex, plus much more. The massive complex equipped with a Titan technical indoor track, an incredible Baby Bando micro course, plus a 3D championship track you don't want to miss. As a bonus for everyone, Buffalo Bando 2018 is a MultiGP wildcard qualifier. One lucky pilot will earn their spot to compete in the 2018 MultiGP Championship. Let's move on to our featured photos of the week. Check it out. Let's give out some MultiGP swag to our YouTube subscribers. Here are the winners for this week. Hopefully you're watching. Send me a note to get your MultiGP store coupon. Email me at news@multigp.com. Here's some exciting news. Next week, MultiGP plans a big announcement about the future of MultiGP drone racing pilots and DRL. Stay tuned for more details next week. That's it for this week's news. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MultiGP and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Manade, reporting for MultiGP News.
If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.